In this video, I will show how to download and install Lingvanex translator in Windows 11. If you want to download and install Lingvanex translator without any error, watch this video till end. Firstly, you have to open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Then search Lingvanex. When you search Lingvanex translator, then press enter. Here you will find translator for Windows. Click this option. After searching Lingvanex translator in search bar, you will find translator for Windows. Click this link. When you click this link, here you will find free download. Click this free download button. When you click this free download button, if your Lingvanex software is not downloading, click here and then you have to choose where you want to save this file. After choosing download folder, here I am choosing a save option and our Lingvanex software is downloading. We have to wait until this process is completing. Next we will install it. We have downloaded Lingvanex in Windows 11. Now it's time to install it. For installing it, go where file is present. Here you can see Lingvanex Windows. Right click on it, then click open. Then click I accept the terms in the license agreement, then click install. And our Lingvanex software is ready for installing. After some time we will use it. Here you can see Lingvanex translator logo. It means we have downloaded and installed Lingvanex translator. When you click finish, our software will be open. Now we can use it for my purpose. I hope this video help you how to download and install Lingvanex in Windows 11 without any error. If you have any query, ask in comment box.